you, Alex. Well, in Washington Thursday, former President Donald Trump was arraigned in the special counsel's January 6th related case. The 45-page indictment accuses Trump of trying to unlawfully retain power after he lost the 2020 election. The former president pushing back on the charges in court, later calling it, quote, a sad day in America. Nicole D'Antonio has more on how the day unfolded and what comes next.
Former President Trump is back at his New Jersey golf club after a third historic arraignment. In a Washington courtroom Thursday, Trump entered a not guilty plea to 4 federal charges accusing him of trying to overturn the 2020 election results in the latest case brought by special counsel Jack Smith.
When you look at what's happening, this is a persecution of a political opponent.
Cameras were not allowed in the courtroom as the former president appeared before a magistrate judge. The defense and prosecutors agreed to allow Trump's release pending trial under the conditions that he cannot violate federal law and must appear as required. He is also not allowed to communicate about the facts of the case to anyone he knows to be a witness, except through lawyers. Trump is not required to attend the next hearing, which is scheduled for August 28th. At that time, the judge could set a trial date. The special counsel has said he wants a speedy trial. Demonstrators gathered outside the courthouse as the events unfolded.
I believe that President Trump is completely innocent of all the charges.
I think he should be held accountable.
The former president also faces state charges in New York as well as more federal charges in Florida in the special counsel's classified documents probe. A charging decision is expected soon in Fulton County, Georgia, in their investigation into efforts to overturn the election results.
Well, sources say former President Trump's legal team plans to push to delay the trial and that they plan to shift the blame onto lawyers to who advised Trump after the 2020 election. Well, right now, Trump is the only person who has been charged in the special counsel's January 6th probe, though the investigation is still ongoing.